Okay guys, we're watching fireworks. It is June 3rd, Monday, 9:59 p.m. The full fireworks show is actually about to start. Up now. Oh, now we're getting into some fireworks. There's some behind us, there's some on the side, and yeah, some behind us, and we're gonna be looking mostly forward at the fireworks. Let's actually move up here. Okay. And then, okay. Dang, it's doing pretty good. Shoot. What the? No way in my hair. What the heck? Oh, that was a bug, probably. Oh, shoot. There's loads of smoke behind us. I'd love to smoke everywhere because of the fireworks. That'd be cool if they actually put fireworks out in the field right here. We were lining them up. And fireworks back there, side, and over there. And that'd be cool if they actually set fireworks that way and that way. It'd be fireworks in every corner and stuff. Nope, there's also fireworks over there, guys. See, fireworks over there. It's actually, so it has all this whole corner except for right on this side. We're going to be focused on this area and maybe some of this area, but not much. Just focus on one area right now, and you'll hear loud bangs from behind. Freaking fireworks.
Oh, there was Eastern's color.
Yeah. Guys, check out my Godzilla video. There's some cool thing I gotta show you. Well, it's halfway through the video where I'm versing my brother. After all that stuff. Oh shoot. Now they're doing it on this side. Come on, guys, send out a big firework. Big firework! It looks like a freaking little rocket thing. Seems that they're doing it a lot slower this year. I wonder how long they usually just set the fireworks at. Probably about 10 minutes or something.
Ring. You. So, big one.
Yeah. The little kids are playing. Okay, maybe they do set them over there, but you just can't really see them. Okay, so they just circle around this whole area. Fireworks everywhere. You go come over tomorrow, Devin? Okay.
Are you going to be in the parade?
No, because Mom's working tomorrow.
The Boy Scouts ain't doing nothing?
They are, but Mom's working, so I chose not to.
Connor?
No, he's not. But I'm spending the night, though, so you'll probably see me in the morning. Yeah? Wait, where's the bottle of water?
In the back seat?
Okay. Alright. Here, my grandpa and grandma. Oh, crap. How do you... Oh, yeah, I forgot. Crap. I guess I got me a Pepsi. You can't see it here. Crap, you can't even see here, but fireworks. More fireworks are going on. Let's see if you can actually see it so it's proof. Right here. Pepsi. Can't see it still, but you can at least see it. Fireworks. Just go let it rest for a while because I think I've been singing it full.
See you next year, y'all.
Ooh. So boring. Oh. You guys suck. So bad. Ugh.
I love you, buddy. I'll see
Okay.
you tomorrow.
Okay. Yes. We're back. I'm actually going to open my Pepsi now. Maybe I should have done the sound effects. Oh, also, I may not be in the parade tomorrow, and also sorry for a Pokemon video not doing it. I wanted to catch this and I forgot the fireworks were actually today. I thought it was actually tomorrow, but also I may not be in the parade because my mom is working and I didn't do the Pokemon video because of this. But also, will videotape the parade though. But it's gonna be kind of hard with all the license plates and stuff. So I'll videotape what I can, guys. And once the parade passes, then that's where the whole parade passes. Then that's where the video is going to end. So yeah. Sorry for the sucky video recording. When I get a better camera, it'll be better. But for now, you guys will have to just enjoy what I got, you know? That'd be kind of cool if it lasted until 12 a.m. And it'd be like, Happy 4th of July, kind of like Happy New Year. Sorry for the slurping. I had to get a bunch of Pepsi off my hand and the bottle. Excuse me. Oh, how happy. Sorry that I had to pause it for a second. I had to tell my uncle and a spoiler from the Godzilla video. I didn't want to spoil it for you guys. Yeah, like I said, I was with my grandpa. He's on this other side of this trailer. My grandma was right behind me in the car, and my uncle was sitting right next to me on the ground. I don't know why he wasn't sitting in a chair, but I don't know. And he'll probably be in another video. I'll ask if maybe sometime if he would like to be in a gaming video with me, and me and him would be playing a video game together. I'd like that. So 11 minutes. I thought the fireworks actually lasted 10 minutes. Actually, probably longer because all the two pause. Actually, no. Not actually no. The first pause was only like that, and the fireworks weren't going on when I first paused it. Well, they were, I think, but I soon backed unpaused it where when the firework was going again. So, seconds. So it'd be in the 40s right now. So it'd be in the 40s right now, and then once it gets to the 40s, it'd be in the 50s and stuff. Okay, I think now it should be in the 12-minute zone. So after every minute, after starting 11, after every minute, plus 1, it should be in the 12s. Crap. I know it's not 4th of July, so technically it kind of is because all the fireworks and stuff are going on and stuff. But happy 4th of July, 4th of July weekend and stuff, everybody. It's not weekend, but still. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Shoot. Sorry, guys. I'm also spending the night at my grandma's, so that way you guys will actually be able to see the parade better. Because also we're having a family picnic at my grandma's. Also, freaking Petsy. So we gotta have a family picnic with my mom and dad again, and we're also gonna be watching. I'll watch the parade from there and stuff. My family watches the parade at grandma's. We do a lot of stuff at our grandma's. Every holiday we try to spend it with our family. Oh crap! Forgot. No, that we're gonna hide. Sorry guys. Excuse me. Pardon me. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of 4th of July music in the video. One of the first original videos I thought I was going to do for one of the 4th of July videos, I was going to do 3. One with the fireworks, one with the parade, and then one with flags. But there's going to be 2, which is the fireworks and the parade tomorrow. Also, this video is going to be uploaded tonight. And the parade video is going to be uploaded sometime after when I can. So, just make sure you actually are able to watch these videos, guys. So, in the morning, when you check it, go ahead, watch it quickly. It's, gosh, it's actually 14 minutes. So, it actually be in, around 15-minute zone, I think. No, actually, no, not yet. Now, it should be in the 15-minute zones. Alright, I wonder if 4th of July is only a American holiday. I don't know. guys, we can actually still see some fireworks. Hey, Grandma, ain't it for the July a American holiday, or do they also celebrate in other countries? I don't remember.
No, they celebrate in other countries.
Okay, that's what I thought, because I thought for a second I thought it was like a American holiday, but well, I know it is, but I like just for that, just for the our country though. But it's there, other countries celebrate it, so okay. So actually, it's not just an American holiday; it's other countries celebrate it. Light 'em up, let 'em up, let 'em up on fire. Pepsi. Boy, sixth grade's gonna be a piece of crap. Good. I'm watching fireworks. This kid was just running past with a flashlight and something else in his hand. I don't know what he was doing. Probably playing Manhunt. Oh man, that game's fun. Oh, but if I cussed like Murderpie and stuff, like, and I didn't care, then I would say sixth grade's gonna be a bit. But I only cuss when I actually get angry or by accident if I'm reading something. So yeah. Oh crap. Sorry for my handshaking. It's actually kind of hard to just like stand the like freaking 17 minutes of freaking holding it for fireworks. And that kid is going down. Oh, that should be a good one. Oh crap! I think they stopped doing the fireworks that way. Firework and that way where that thing is. Okay, guys. Wait, when's the finale? I gotta ask. Alright, guys, I gotta ask my grandma. When or how long is the fireworks usually? Okay. Hey, Grandma, how long are the fireworks usually?
Probably about 20-30 minutes.
Okay, just wondering. Because if it's like about 30, I can probably hold 20, hopefully. But 30 minutes, dang, I'd have to. The video would. I'm gonna go until the video stops automatically, but hopefully we can actually hold 30 minutes. Hopefully. Just gotta sit back, relax, watch the video, and because the video is just videotaping the fireworks. And I gotta also kind of watch the sky and make sure I'm videotaping the right way. And drink my Pepsi. Oh crap, I wish I had some Twinkies right now. And some pickles, and some chili dogs, and a pizza. Oh, that'd be perfect. Freaking. Oh, and smoothies. Oh, yeah, that'd be good. Some smoothies, dude. Back is being itchy. Boom. 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 3. 4. Alright, I'm gonna start counting them now. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. You guys also count if you want. 10. You can go back to the other video and start counting the beginning of the video. 11, I think. Yeah, 11. 12. I'm starting to count now. 13. 14. 15. Yep. 16. 17. It's like they disappear and then boom. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. Don't do that. 24. You can do that now. 25. 26. 28. 29. Car. 6. I think. 27. 28. I think that's 28. 29. 30. Oh, red, white, and blue. 31. 32. Yep. 33. Please. No? Oh, 33, 34. Because that was boom. 35, 36. 38, 39, 40. 41. 42. 40. 43. There's crosses outside. We're at a church. 44, 45. 46, 47. 48. No, that's 3. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 50. 55. I know those two, but it made one big bang at once, so it's 55. So it's actually 1. So 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 70, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 113, 114, 115. Okay, I think that's 115 in fireworks. I'm only counting the ones over here, not here, I'm only counting the ones this way. The ones you've been seeing the fireworks at. Not.
Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
Here.
Hold on. Alright, guys, we're going to go inside. Yep. Okay. I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, that's the end. Light here. Some fireworks are still going from other people. See, I told you, Pepsi. Alright, guys, gotta put up the chair, subscribe, leave a like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy 4th of July, and see you.